when a base station like this is set up. How to set it up? Like and follow. Let's start with the radio. There's a screen on the radio, 5 buttons, 3 lights. First, press and hold the power button to power on. Then let's look at the light on the left, from down to up. The first is the power indicator. The second is the signal receiving and receiving indicator. The third is a Bluetooth connection indicator. Now let's look at the screen. Press right to switch functions. The first is channel and frequency. Press up and down to switch. Press the power button in the middle to confirm. So there's a signal up ahead. It's the current channel. If there's no other radio interference around, just use the default channel. Right-click when you're done. Go to the next setting. So choose the sliding test protocol. Press right continuously to find the transmit power. Adjust to high. The larger the guideline, the greater the coverage. Keep pressing right to find Bluetooth settings. Turn the nose of the base station on. Click search on the radio. Checked and found Bluetooth. It matches the number on the nose. Click to connect. The Bluetooth indicator lights up. It means the connection is successful. Our setup is complete. We'll use the Fuse software again now. Connect the machine head through our NFC. After successful connection, we hit Configure. The base station sets up the radio network. Select the self-starting reference station, external station. Click Apply in the bottom right corner. After setting, we automatically disconnect. This is the whole process of setting up the base station. Next time, we will talk about how to set up a mobile station.